Hi, this is Tanette and welcome to Tanette's World. Ang sabi, he's here to share with us ang kanyang pinaka-bet na recipe ng pinakbet. So let's follow him to the kitchen. Ako nga pala si Indy, ang guest commentator for today. So, he starts off by pan-searing or making sangkutsada pork together with the garlic. Ayan, halo-halo. And dapat maging masaya tayo habang ginagawa natin yan. Follow it up with some sibuyas in the house. Ayan. At this point, pwede nyo rin kayo mag-add ng seasoning, pork cubes, salt and pepper. At syempre, kailangan natin ang kamatis because that will make it saucy. So, ready na mga gulay. Ang dami nating gulay today. At we start off with kamote. Kasi ang kamote po medyo matagal lutuin together with the kalabasa. So, go. Game na. And then, yung mga greens, umpisahan na natin. Starting with sitaw. We also have some okra. At syempre, ang gulay na we love to hate. Kasi minsan, bitter po tayo. Yan po ang ampalaya. But it's really healthy, so kailangan natin isama yan palagi. And ano bang favorite gulay nyo in your pinakbet? Me, I like talong. I really love talong. So, we gotta have talong, whether it's the small one or the long one. Basta masarap ang talong. So, let's add this. Sabi nila, addicting daw ang talong kasi it has a bit of nicotine in it. But you know what? Doesn't matter. Masarap kaya ng talong. Don't you agree? So, anyway, let's try to attempt to mix this all up. Medyo overflowing tayo ng gulay, pero mamaya bababayin ko. But you know, medyo mahirap to, but nothing in life comes easy. So, paghirapan natin ang ating pinakbet. So, there you have it. Ang sarap, diba? Ang colorful pa niya. So tasty and so healthy. So, suggest ko lang talaga i-try nyo to together with your favorite fried fish or pritong galunggong. And of course, kailangan natin ng dessert. Wow! So anyway, thank you for watching. Until the next video.